Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Today is lesson 8, and this is actually a virtual lab dissection that you will be doing throughout the entire week this week. It will be due on Friday at 11:59 p.m., so right before midnight, so please get it done before then. If you have any questions or concerns about it, please let me know and I can help you out. I will be posting a discussion post later on in the week to see how you are doing so far on it, and we can clarify anything if we need to. So this is found under lesson 8. So this is just a little description. So watch this lesson video that I'll be posting, and then the lab can be found under the assignments folder. So I'll show you that now. So you go to the assignments folder, and then you'll be scrolling down and you'll go to the assignment section. And this is the virtual lab dissection. So because it's different on my computer screen than yours, I'm just going to go to it. So it says, please complete the document provided, and there's a link that you will follow. So if I go to the virtual lab dissection now, you will see this. So please ignore the amount it is worth, as it is at a 54 because there's quite a bit with it. So you will click this link here, and this link will take you to your lab dissection. So it'll give you instructions. Do not look at the post-lab quiz and lab report because it is a little bit different, but please just go through this entire thing. So click the instructions, go through the laboratory exercise, and then once you are done it and fill out all the information, please fill it out all on this sheet here. So it goes through the different questions. So why do we dissect frogs? You need to figure that out, what the dissection tools needed for the dissections are, etc. You'll look at the external anatomy and the internal anatomy of the frog. You'll look at the respiratory system, circulatory system, reproductive system, excretory system, nervous system. All the systems we've learned about so far, you're using it for this. Then there is a post-lab analysis, so please answer these questions as well. And then there's a section on labeling. So you will not have to draw anything. There are 4 diagrams that you have to label. So please label this accordingly to what it shows you in the dissection. If you can't find anything in the video, you are more than welcome to Google it or ask a friend. And if you still can't find it, then you can email me and I can help you. So there's 4 images here. Please fill out these 4 images. They are worth marks, obviously. So there's no required drawing from you like the previous lab. So please get that done. You will have the week to complete it. It is very easy, but it is going to be worth a lot. So please get it done as quickly as possible. So this is just a little short video to show you where it is, what you have to do. If you need any help with anything, please let me know. And have a great day, everyone. Bye now.